Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready: operating system compatibility and at least 8 GB of RAM. Once done, download the Android Studio bundle, which includes the SDK. This avoids separate JDK hassle. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS so the emulator runs smoothly. While downloading, verify you have 10 to 20 GB free. These steps prepare your machine so installation and the first launch proceed without delays or missing components. You now install and configure Android Studio itself. Run the installer and accept recommended SDK components and emulator tools. This gives you a runnable development environment. Once Studio launches, follow the first run wizard to download platform packages and set a UI theme. Then create an Android virtual device. Pick a common phone profile, choose an x86 system image for speed, and allocate sensible RAM. These middle steps integrate SDK, build tools, and emulator so you finish by creating and running a simple project. Choose New Project with an empty activity, verify Gradle settings, and name your package. This scaffolds essential files. Next, run the app by selecting the AVD or connecting a physical device with USB debugging enabled. If the build fails, try cleaning the project, invalidating caches and restarting Studio, and ensure the Gradle plugin matches your Android Gradle version. One troubleshooting tip: update SDK components and restart Studio before deep debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.